पाहुण जरा बिस्किट खावा जरा. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest update. Hello friends, welcome to PSD Vlogs, and today we are traveling from Ladgar beach towards the DIVEAGAR beach by the coastal route, that is by the ferry route. We are going through this, and most probably it is around 114 kilometers and 3 hours 38 minutes, which is the time taken to reach there. Approximately the twists and turns of the roads are too much, and most probably you will find more guards on these roads. And just on the left side we are seeing the Anjarli beach and the backwaters of that, the boats on the left side, and we are heading towards the beach side road. So there's beautiful view around the all road, and this is the one temple we got on the road, the Ram Mandir at Panchpir, and after that we have reached to the best places of Alfonso, where we have got and reached the DIVEAGAR beach. After that we have so much time to be spent on the DIVEAGAR beach, and after that there are water sports on the beach such as the paragliding, banana rides, and all the sports, water sports are available here, and you can enjoy the beach. Very calm, silent beach, and most probably we have stayed in the Sea Face Resort, so it costs about 2500 to 3000 here, and most probably we will enjoy the Malwani Thali, that is the fish containing surmai, paplet, or anything like that. And the best place to have the food here in the DIVEAGAR beach is the Patil Khanawar, that is giving the best food in and around the DIVEAGAR. You can visit the this at 11 a.m. to till 3 p.m. and in the evenings you go at 7 to 9. And after that we have done good view on the beach. After that paragliding, you can see the sports, water sports are going on there on the beach. And this is the footage I got from the yesterday Dapoli Ladgar beach. There is a morning sight at 8:30 a.m. from our resort. You can see the beautiful sea at the morning. It's look beautiful with the first sun ray on the beautiful sands. Thank you friends. Please comment, share and subscribe the video and enjoy the footage. Bye.
Everybody gives you advice, yeah, on how to live your life, how to live your life. Don't you know that life is full of surprises? You better realize, Nobody